Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your AirPod supports active noise cancellation and that firmware is current, because ANC requires model support. Once done, wear only the AirPod you want noise canceling on so sensors detect in-ear status. This tells the host device to route audio. Now open Bluetooth or Control Center on your device and connect. Make sure the single AirPod shows as active. This step establishes a stable audio link and lets you access noise controls for that single earpiece. Next, you navigate directly to the noise control menu because that's where ANC is toggled per device. On iOS, pull down Control Center, long press volume tile, and choose noise cancellation. On other platforms, open Bluetooth settings, tap your AirPod name, and select noise cancellation. Make sure the single AirPod remains detected. If not, reinsert briefly. Enabling ANC focuses on reducing background frequencies, improving clarity, and lower fatigue, which is why you set it now rather than later. Finally, you validate ANC by playing ambient sound or moving to a noisy spot and toggling noise cancellation to hear the difference. This confirms the one AirPod is actively canceling. If ANC won't engage, make sure the AirPod is seated correctly, then restart the AirPod or your device to refresh the connection. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds, then reconnect. This often clears pairing or firmware glitches and restores single-ear ANC functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.